light pink color, sky blue color, pink color, orange color, red color, light green color, yellow color, brown color, grey color and black color. Let's learn alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Red color. A for apple. Orange color. B for ball. Yellow color. C for cat. Light green color. D for dog. Sky blue color. E for elephant. Purple color. F for frog. Pink color. G for grapes. Light pink color. H for house. Brown color. I for ice cream. Gray color. J for joker. Red color. K for kite. Orange color. L for lion. Yellow color. M for mango. Light green color. N for nest. Sky blue color. O for orange. Purple color. P for peacock. Pink color. Q for queen. Light pink color. R for rabbit. Brown color. S for sun. Gray color. T. T for T-shirt. Red color. U. U for umbrella. Orange color. V. V for van. Yellow color. W. W for watch. Light green color. X. X for X-ray. Sky blue color. Y. Y for yard. Purple color. Z. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.